Unusual popping or rumbling sounds from your water heater are often caused by sediment buildup inside the tank. As minerals collect over time, trapped water creates steam bubbles that produce loud popping and rumbling noises. Ignoring these sounds can reduce efficiency, increase energy use, and put extra strain on your water heater. Hard water can speed up sediment buildup, making the problem worse if left untreated. Regular maintenance and professional flushing help keep your water heater running efficiently. If the noises continue or you notice leaks or inconsistent hot water, contact a trusted plumber for a professional inspection.